Introducing the re-engineered JWDS-2244 Oscillating Drum Sander, the latest addition to JET's industry-leading line of drum sanders. Producing an unbeatable sanding finish, the exclusive variable speed oscillating drum moves from left to right, minimizing visual scratch patterns in workpieces, and increases the lifespan of abrasive paper. The patented heavy-duty molded hood baffle extracts 25% more dust than the competition and 97% of all dust to deliver a cleaner, healthier sanding experience. JET's SandSmart technology continuously monitors the load on the drum motor to prevent an overload situation by automatically adjusting the conveyor speed. For wider workpieces, the tool-free parallelism adjustment reduces downtime by allowing the operator to quickly bring the conveyor back to parallel with the drum. The heavy-duty integrated mobile base includes over 8.5 cubic feet of storage, convenient for housing any of JET's full line of ready-to-wrap sandpaper. All JET drum sanders are built to withstand the rigors of a busy shop environment. They're proudly backed by JET's industry-leading 5-year warranty.